Hi, welcome again to this section. In this section, I will show you a constant. What mean constant? How constants work in Swift? Well, as you know, so far I've been using var keyword to declare my variable. With a var keyword, now we're gonna use a constant. Constants use the keyword constants. We use let as a keyword. Like now I will declare a constant and show you what is the difference between a constant and a variable. Okay, but first to start, I'm gonna start with a new constant that I call it let's Taylor equal to Swift. And I did create a constant and assigned it to a value of the Swift constant variable, assigned it to a value of Swift. If I run this code, suddenly you see Swift pop out to the preview of the playground. Now if we try to change the value of the Swift like we did like we can do in a variable, that you see directly Swift the playground is called warn that cannot assign to value. Well, this is the difference between variable and constant. Constant will not let you to change the value. With constant, you can change the value already assigned it with, you cannot change it. But with a variable, there's the way to change the value. Like now, if I say var name equals Swift UI, and I say name is UI kit, and now you can see if I run this code, both two come out, but the first one is the first value and the second one is the value that we changed to the property name that we changed the value. With var, using a var keyword, the variable declaration keyword, we can change the value. But with a constant, we cannot change the value. This is all. And this is all you need to know with a constant, the difference between constant and variable declaration. Thank you for watching. It's me, Jabril. Peace.